We had a great time in Rijeka and now we are on the bus to Pula. We only got to the Airbnb a little bit ago and it is lashing down with rain, loud thunder and lightning, so I don't know what's going on. And there's a big storm out here. And this is a really lovely old building and this definitely has a feel of Italy and the Italian feel. Really nice windows, and also it's got them a bit like how the French windows has. Actually it's French and Italian, it's got that French and Italian feel. It's really lashing down with rain, you know, big lightning, massive storm. And I'll just show you out here now.